what we're doing is I went and bought this Dayton 6-blade exhaust fan for 20 bucks on Craigslist, and we're just going to build a box around it so I can put this in my shop. Yeah.
And you only go for small trim.
Yeah.
And this will shoot. I have 2.5 inch. I think it may go 3. Or 2.5 maybe the max.
Yeah.
But those nails aren't cheap.
No. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to build the box. We're going to pretty much assemble a box, and then we're going to just set the fan down in a box, and then we'll attach the fan to the box. Should be good to go. Pretty much a done deal. I got to mount my motor on here, and I went ahead and put some casters on it so I can roll it around. Got them mounted. I'll tell you what I did do. These casters, the cheapest ones they had at Harbor Freight were $4.99 or $3.99, so that's $4. 4 times 4 is 16. That'd have been 16 bucks in casters. But what I did, I just bought one of their furniture dollies they had on sale for $7.99, and I just robbed the casters off of it. I just used the wood on something else, but that's a good way to save a little money. I'm going to go ahead and get the motor. It is a half horsepower, and it was on sale with a 20% coupon. I was able to get it for right around $100. So we'll get it mounted and going, and we'll catch you on the next installment of this video. Y'all have a good day. More Medic 1.